I had a fairly standard childhood.
Hurry, there isn't much time.
With parents who couldn't wait to get me out of the house.
You are destined for greatness.
That was a lot of expectation to place on an 8-day-old. Turns out another family in the Glaupunk quadrant had a very similar idea. That was the day I met Mr. Goody Two-Shoes. And our glorious rivalry was born. Our battles quickly got more elaborate. You've fallen right into my trap.
You can't trap justice.
He would win some. I would almost win others. He took the name Metroman. I decided to pick something a little more humble. Megamind. Incredibly handsome master of all villainy.
All right, put your hands in the air. Yeah, Metro City! And I love you, random citizen.
The battle between good and evil. Megamind will blow your mind.
This will be the last you ever hear of Roxanne Ritchie! Huh?
Don't panic, Roxy.
I'm not panicking.
I'm on my way.
Oh! I'm shaking in my custom baby seal leather boots.
Will Ferrell. Tina Fey.
Wow, that was really exciting.
Jonah Hill.
I'd be watching you like a dingo watches a human baby.
And Brad Pitt.
That's right.
Your plans never work. You're so predictable.
You call this predictable?
Alligators, yes. I was thinking about it on the way over.
Boom! In your face.
Juvenile.
So scary!
Seen it.
This thing behind it.
Tacky.
What's this one do?
Garish. The spider's new.
Spider? Yes. The spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Ow! Get it off!
DreamWorks Megamind.
Hello, I'm Jack Black, and I'm in training for my new film, Kung Fu Panda 2. How do I prepare to play the awesome dragon warrior Po? Let me tell you, it's got nothing to do with Kung Fu. I use my noodle soup! Welcome to the DreamWorks Animation Test Kitchen. The heart of a movie is the relationships between the characters, just like the heart of any great soup is the relationships between the ingredients. Here we have tigress, crane, monkey, viper, and mantis. Individually, they're just vegetables or super awesome kung fu warriors, but together, pretty, coming at you. Together, they are more powerful and flavorful than ever. Now's when it all comes together. We're gonna mix the Furious Five with a little of my dad's secret noodle recipe. And finally, skadoosh! Together, the ingredients are more awesomely amazing than anyone could imagine.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they did it with expert timing.
The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.
Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas. Easter. Hanukkah. The one thing they all have in common? Food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. A time to sit down over the holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal. My name's Reggie, by the way. I'm the turkey screaming for his life. Thanksgiving is a turkey's worst nightmare. And trust me, I've tried to warn them. You don't get it! They're fattening us up so they can eat us!